Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. We have the auction H3 Baby H, the Hummer, and has a lot of General Motors cheap plastic trim inside and out. A great time to show you the Koch Chemie Hpc or Hydro Plast Care for plastic trim on the interior, exterior, even your tires. I use it 3 ways so far, and I want to show you how and the results that I get from it. And since this has so much plastic, it is the perfect way to demonstrate the HPC. Let's get started. I did restore a lot of the plastic on this already. Some in a previous video, some on my own off camera, a lot of plastic. And I did leave some pieces like the rear bumper here. That was restored a little bit, restored that. I left the door handles and also the front bumper. And also the interior trim, I cleaned it, but I did not dress protect it. Not that this has a lot of protection in it, but I want to use it on the interior, and I will show you the ratio that will give you a nice satin look to it. And then we'll do the ratio that gives you a good look on your tires, and then a ratio that gives you a good look on the bumper here. Again, this is a Koch Chemie Hpc Hydro Blast Care. All right, starting out 1-to-1, I just had to put it in this, I'm running out of bottles. And I have a new applicator here. So it has a yellowish tinge to it, and I was told it smells a little bit fruity like bananas. So at 1-to-1, and obviously you can use it straight up if you want to. That's going to be crazy thick and crazy glossy. But to me, on tires, I like the 1-to-1 mix. Just gives them a very nice, rich look, dark and rich. Better than a new tire. Let's get the front tire too. Guys, as you probably can see, I really enjoy a lot, not all, but a lot of the Koch Chemie products. Is it me, or does it seem like their pricing is either hit or miss? Some of the products seem like they're at a great price, and some seem, well, quite pricey. And I understand, having been on that side of the curtain, that raw materials are expensive, but it just seems like it's hit or miss. I love the way these tires look. Bring you guys in for some better angle. It just looks like a brand new, better than brand new tire. A little bit of gloss to it. At 1-to-1, you can go to 2-to-1 for tires as well for a matte look. And that's where we're actually going to go for this front bumper here. From 1-to-1 to 2-to-1, and then we'll go 4-to-1 for the interior for a true satin look or matte look because I don't want any sheen in there. I just want the plastic to look darker and richer. But the tires look fantastic. All right, thumbs up so far. Moving on. From 1-to-1 to 2-to-1, and I'll just switch to a microfiber applicator, prime it. Obviously, this is going to be after you clean the material that you're putting this on, whether it's rubber as a tire, or plastic trim on the exterior, or trim on the interior. You want it to be perfectly clean first. Easy to get on, very easy to get on. How long does it last? Well, I'm going to find out. Because this will be daily driven to and fro from the shop and wherever else I have to go. Let me stop and show you the difference we've made so far. You can see, even with it goes on nice and even if you take your time. And it's not crazy glossy, dripping wet look, but it made a hell of a difference on that plastic, which is just so dry and thirsty. This summer has come a long way. I wasn't the biggest fan of GM to begin with, but I do like the H2, the H1 and H2 Hummer, and this thing was at an auction and came up and we got it rather cheap, so I did have to figure out a few things electrically in the electrical system that were malfunctioning. But now that, I mean, the rest of it was really taken care of. Just some things were neglected. To me, I'm happy the most important parts were taken care of, like the mechanical and maintenance issues, which are very important for these. And if you keep up with them, you can put a ton of miles on these things. I don't keep things very long, but I did delete the second row seating, so she has more room back there. So it is going to be a puppy-mobile for the foreseeable future. And we'll see how long I have it. I will never say that I'm going to keep something. Never. Because I never do. Longer than a year anyway. Year and a half. That looks fantastic. Okay, so we're going from the tires, diluted down a little bit, to the bumper, which is perfect. That's exactly where I want it. Now let's go to the interior. And GM's hard plastic is absolutely everywhere. Let's protect it or make it look good, dress it. So this will be at 4-to-1, so we'll flip over the applicator. That way we're not getting the 2-to-1. We'll just massage it onto the plastic. What I like about it so far is it's not hard to get it on there even. It doesn't go on looking blotchy or smeary or or doesn't make the job a lot of work or seem like a chore. Okay, yeah, that looks nice and even. Enough to make it dark. Give it a richer plastic look, but nothing, it doesn't feel slippery or greasy. All right, let's move along. So 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1 would be your interior ratios. For leathers and plastics and any type of plastic trim in the interior here. Yeah, the interior here was kept in really good shape. I believe it was detailed daily, or not daily, but regularly. None of the plastic is scratched or faded or cracked. So I'm not sure what they used to take care of it, but I'm glad they did. All right, I'm just going to continue the same process all the way around the vehicle, and I'll show you the results at the end. All finished with the interior. Feels natural, not slick. Nice and dark and rich, no sheen to it. Better than new. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Let me know what you think about the results on the tires, bumper, and interior. If you're an avid and regular user of the Koch Chemie products, let us know how this is holding up over time, how often you have to apply it, reapply it, and what you apply it to. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. We'll catch you in the next video.